C. Solve for a sub 1 and a sub 18. A sub 1 equals 15 plus 8 times 1 equals 15 plus 8 equals 23, and a sub 18 equals 15 plus 8 times 18 equals 15 plus 144 equals 159. Find S sub n. S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Sum of the first n term of an arithmetic sequence. S sub 18 equals 18 halves times 23 plus 159. Substitute the known values. Equals 9 times 182. Simplify. Equals 1638. Simplify. Example 7. Rate a live application. A portion of a popular Christmas song is, "On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming 6 geese, hey, playing 11 pipers piping 5 golden rings, 10 lords, hey, leaping for calling birds, 9 ladies dancing 3 French hens, 8 maids, hey, milking 2 turtle doves, and 7 swans, hey, swimming a partridge in a pear tree." How many gifts are given on the 12th day of Christmas? Solution. Find the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 12. S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. S sub n equals 12 halves times 1 plus 12. Replace n with 12, a sub 1 with 1, and a sub 12 with 12. Equals 6 times 13. Equals 78. Thus, the person's true love gave 78 gifts on the 12th day of Christmas. Arithmetic mean. We call x plus y over to the arithmetic mean of numbers x and y. The coordinates of the midpoint between the numbers x and x plus y over 2 is x plus y over 2 equals 3x plus y over 4. To find the coordinates of the midpoint between x plus y over 2 and y, we have x plus y over 2 plus y over 2 equals x plus 3y over 4. Hence, we now have the arithmetic sequence x3x plus y over 4, x plus y over 2, x plus 3y over 4, y, with the common difference y minus x over 4. In the previous process, we have inserted 3 arithmetic means between x and y. We can generalize the concept presented by finding k other numbers m sub 1, m sub 2, m sub 3, m sub 4, such that the following is an arithmetic sequence. X, m sub 1, m sub 2, m sub 3, m sub k, y. In this, we have inserted k arithmetic means between x and y. Example 8 arithmetic mean. Insert a for arithmetic means between 14 and 44 and b3 arithmetic means in the arithmetic sequence. X plus 3y, for y, 3y, m by n us x, blank blank blank, 9y minus 5x. Solution. 8. Look for numbers m sub 1, m sub 2, m sub 3, m sub 4, such that 40 meters sub 1, m sub 2, m sub 3, m sub 4, 44 is an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub 6 equals a sub 1 plus 6 minus 1 times d. 44 equals 14 plus 5d. 30 equals 5d. D equals 6. Since d equals 6, we have m sub 1 equals a sub 1 plus d equals 14 plus 6 equals 20. M sub 2 equals m sub 1 plus d equals 20 plus 6 equals 26. M sub 3 equals m sub 2 plus d equals 26 plus 6 equals 32. M sub 4 equals m sub 3 plus d equals 32 plus 6 equals 38. Thus, the 4 arithmetic means between 14 and 44 are 20, 26, 32, and 38. B. Find the common difference by subtracting any 2 consecutive terms of the sequence. Thus, d equals for y minus x plus 3y. D equals y minus x. We are actually looking for a sub 4, a sub 5, and a sub 6. Using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus d, we have a sub 4 equals x plus 3y plus 4 minus 1 times y minus x equals x plus 3y plus 3y minus 3x equals 6y minus 2x. A sub 5 equals x plus 3y plus 5 minus 1 times y minus x equals x plus 3y plus 4y minus 4x equals 7y minus 3x. A sub 6 equals x plus 3y plus 6 minus 1 times y minus x equals x plus 3y plus 5y minus 5x equals 8y minus 4x. Thus, the three arithmetic means between 5y minus x and 9y minus 5x are 6y minus 2x, 7y minus 3x, and 8y minus 4x.
To summarize our lesson for today, a number sequence is a list of numbers having a first number, a second number, a third number, and so on, called the terms of the sequence. A sequence having a finite numbers of terms is called a finite sequence. A sequence that has an infinite number of terms is called an infinite sequence. A sequence with consecutive terms have a common difference is an arithmetic sequence. The number d is the common difference in the arithmetic sequence. The formula for the n term on arithmetic sequence. The n term a sub n of an arithmetic sequence with first term a sub 1 and common difference d is given by a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d.
Activity 1. Fill in the blanks to make each statement true. 1. A sequence which consecutive terms have a common difference is or in blank. 2. The number d in a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 is called the blank of any two consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence. 3. The indicated sum of an arithmetic sequence is called or in blank. 4. The sum s sub n of the first terms of an arithmetic series with first term a sub 1 and n term a sub n is given by blank. 5. The common difference of the arithmetic sequence 3, 1, negative 1, negative 3, negative 5 is blank. Activity 2. Write the formula for the nth term of the given arithmetic sequence. 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 3, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 4, 10, 16, 22, 28, 5, negative 2, 1, 4, 7, 10, 6, negative 15, negative 11, negative 7, negative 3, 7, 7, 15, 23, 31, 39, 8, 1 half, 3 fourths 1, 5 fourths, 3 halves, 9, negative 1 third, negative 4 thirds, negative 7 thirds, negative 10 third, negative 13 third, 10, 23 fifths, 48 fifths, 73 fifths, 98 fifths, 123 fifths. Activity 3. Find the indicated term for each sequence. 1, 9, 12, 15, 12th term. 2, 1, negative 4, negative 9, 15th term. 3, 4, 7, 10, 10th term. 4, 1, 6 fifths, 7 fifths, 9th term. 5, negative 15, negative 10, negative 5, 15th term. 6, 20, 12, 4, 12th term. 7, negative 12, negative 17, negative 22, 28th term. 8, 4, 2, 0, 18th term. 9, negative 12, 0, 12, 7th term. 10, 25, 33, 41, 14th term. Activity for solve for the indicated term. 1. A sub 1 equals 2. D equals 3. A sub 7 equals blank. 2. A sub 1 equals negative 4. D equals negative 2. A sub 12 equals blank. 3. A sub 1 equals 9. D equals 4. A sub 10 equals blank. 4. A sub 1 equals blank. D equals 5. A sub 6 equals 28. 5. A sub 1 equals blank. D equals negative 3. A sub 10 equals negative 29. 6. A sub 1 equals blank. D equals 1. A sub 20 equals 23. 7. They sub 1 equals 6. D equals blank. They sub 8 equals 20. 8. They sub 1 equals negative 5. D equals blank. They sub 10 equals 85. 9. They sub 1 equals 4. D equals blank. They sub 12 equals 26. 10. A sub 1 equals negative 1. N equals blank. D equals 5. They sub n equals 34. Activity 5. Read and solve each problem carefully. Show your complete solution. 1. Joan started a new job with an annual salary of 150,000 pesos in 2007. If she receives a 12,000 pesos raise each year, how much will her annual salary be in 2017? 2. A stack of telephone poles has 30 poles in the bottom row. There are 29 poles in the second row, 28 in the next row, and so on. How many poles are there in the 26th row? 3. The gardener makes a triangular planting with 40 plants in the front row, 36 in the second row, 32 in the third row, and so on. If the pattern is consistent, how many plants will be there in the last row? 4. Josh spent 150 pesos on August 1st, 170 pesos on August 2nd, 190 pesos on August 3rd, and so on. How much did he spend on August 31st? Activity 6. Find the sum of the first terms of each of the following arithmetic sequence. 1. They sub 1 equals 10 and D equals 7. 2. They sub 1 equals 25 and D equals 4. 3. They sub 1 equals 101 and D equals 3. 4. They sub 1 equals 12 and A sub 10 equals 38. 5. They sub 1 equals 15 and A sub 10 equals 55. 6. They sub 1 equals 10 and A sub 4 equals 31. 7. They sub 1 equals 21 and A sub 5 equals 81. 8. They sub 2 equals 34 and A sub 10 equals 50. 9. They sub 1 equals 28 and A sub 10 equals 91. 10. They sub 4 equals 41 and A sub 12 equals 105. Activity 7. Find the arithmetic mean in each of the following. 1. 6 and 18. 2. 7 and 27. 3. 11 and 23. 4. 21 and 43. 5. 33 and 61. Activity 8. Answer each problem. 1. Insert two arithmetic means between 16 and 31. 2. Insert two arithmetic means between 21 and 33. 3. Insert three arithmetic means between 11 and 35. 4. Insert three arithmetic means between 48 and 84. 5. Given the sequence 35, 41, 47, 53 blank 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 77. Insert three arithmetic means.
Activity 9. Solve the following problems. 1. An object is dropped from a jet plane and falls 32 feet during the first second. For each succeeding second, it falls 40 feet more than the distance covered in the preceding second. How far has it fallen after 11 seconds? 2. A pyramid of empty cans has 30 blocks in the bottom row and one fewer can in each successive row thereafter. How many cans are there in the pyramid? 3. A sari-sari store sells 1,000 pesos worth of products during its first week. The owner of the sari-sari store has set a goal of increasing his weekly sales by 500 pesos each week for the next 10 weeks. If we assume that this goal is met, find the total sales during the first 11 weeks this store is in operation. 4. Find the seating capacity of a movie house with 40 rows of seats if there are 25 seats in the first row, 28 seats in the second row, 31 seats in the third row, and so on. 5. Mr. Edwin de Guzman accepts a teaching position in a private school and will receive a salary of 96,000 pesos for the first year. He is guaranteed a raise of 1,200 pesos per year for the first 5 years. How much will he receive on the 6th year if he is given the same raise? 6. A mosaic in the shape of an equilateral triangle is 25 feet on each side. Each tile in the mosaic is in the shape of an equilateral triangle, 12 inches to a side. The tiles are to alternate in light shades and dark shades as shown on the right. How many tiles of each shade will be needed? 7. How many times will a clock strike in 1 week if it strikes the appropriate number of times in each hour? 8. Mr. A. Reyes bought a lot at the beginning of 2000 for 50,000 pesos. If it increased 1,000 pesos in value each year, how much is it worth at the end of 2025? 9. Rico bought a machine worth 29,000 pesos. If it depreciates in value by 500 pesos each year, what will be its value at the end of 10 years? 10. The sum of the first 12 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 300 and the 15th term is 59. Find the first term of the sequence if its common difference is 3. 11. Find out how many terms of the arithmetic sequence 12, 10 and half, 9, 7 and half and so on, must be taken so that the sum of the arithmetic sequence will be equal to 0. 12. The fifth and the eighth terms of an arithmetic sequence are in the ratio 22:25 and their sum is 47. Find the sum of the first 15 terms. 13. The 15th term of an arithmetic sequence is 129 and the sum of the first 15 terms is 1095. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. 14. There are 20 guests in a party. If each guest shakes hands with all other guests, how many handshakes will be made?
Assessment. Directions. Choose the letter of the best answer. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. 1. Sequence is blank. A. A linear equation. B. Events that happened in definite order. C. A list of numbers. D. A procedure for getting the answer. 2. Series is blank. A. A sequence of positive numbers. B. A sequence of whole numbers. C. The sum of the terms of a sequence. D. A show with many chapters. 3. Arithmetic sequence is blank. A. A sequence of rationals. B. A finite sequence. C. A sequence found in mathematics. D. A sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed amount to the previous term. 4. Find A sub 1 for an arithmetic sequence in which A sub 10 equals 2 and D equals -1. A -7. B -16. C 7. D 11. 5. The value of A sub 7 in the arithmetic sequence where A sub 3 equals -4 and A sub 8 equals 11 is 8. 8. B -10. C 2. D -1. 6. Find the sum of an arithmetic series in which A sub 1 equals 5, A sub 4 equals 17, and N equals 9. 8. 168. B 164. C 172. D 189. 7. The sum of all odd integers between 6 and 24 is 8. 130. B 131. C 133. D 135. 8. Find A sub 7 in an arithmetic sequence for which A sub 4 equals -2 and A 9 equals 13. 8. 4. B 5. C 7. D 8. 9. How many terms are there in an arithmetic progression which first and last terms are 7 and 46, respectively, and which common difference is 3? 8. 14. B 15. C 16. D 17. 10. The three arithmetic means between 4 and 32 are A 18, 25, 28. B 11, 18, 25. C 10, 18, 26. D not possible. Answer each of the following. 1. Write the first 5 terms of the sequence defined by each equation. 80 sub n equals 4 n bt sub n equals 3 n minus 7 c b n equals n plus 3 times 2. 2. Write the equation for each sequence. 8 3, 6, 9, 12, 15b 5, 7, 9, 11c, 3, 6, 11, 18. 3. Find the indicated term in each arithmetic progression. A. A sub 1 equals 4, D equals 5, N equals 12. B. A sub 1 equals 1 half, D equals negative 4, N equals 10. C. A sub 1 equals 15, D equals negative 3, N equals 7. 4. Find the indicated term in each arithmetic sequence. A 15, 21, 27, 11th term. B A sub 1 equals 5, D equals negative 3 15th term. C 4, 7, 10, 10th term. 5. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of each of the following arithmetic sequence. A sub 1 equals 4 and S sub 9 equals 216. B S sub 2 equals 106 and A sub 2 equals 66. C S sub 5 equals 290 and A sub 5 equals 66.
I hope you learned a lot from our lesson for today. See you in our next Math 10 class.